Alright, it's Tuesday, bro. We're on it, dude. So we are leaving Newport Beach, headed towards Dana Point. And we're going to be doing a few backflow tests this morning. I think the customer has 3. There's a DACA, which is a fairly large 8-inch backflow, and then it has a smaller bypass on it, so we're going to test those two. And then I think they have a regular RP or something like that, so we'll see. But we're on our way there. We have a short window because one of them is for fire suppression and the alarm needs to be shut off during the window, so we're going to go tackle that. And then we have a disposal we're going to be doing, and then we'll see what else comes in. So enjoy your time, and we'll see you at the job, man. Alright, so that job's wrapped up, and it was minorly stressful for me. You know, I wasn't expecting that gate valve packing to erupt with water. It's still leaking, and it's going to need to get repaired. So both the bypass failed, number 2 check failed. The RP that I didn't record, that failed. Number 1 check was fouled on that, and then that number 1 shut off with the packing needs to get repaired. So anyway, man, I'm on my way to the next one, and catch you guys at the next job, dude. All right, we're done for the day, man. Our call got canceled, and we had a few jobs go through that got approved, so I went to the supply house that we tested yesterday. We're gonna do that on Thursday, and had some other calls come in, but we're just gonna call it.